Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution, and today I've got a friend. I've got Morgan with me. Morgan does a bunch of work with us behind the scenes with marketing and websites, but we're going to do something a little different today. The top 10 things Grower Solution Holiday Gift Guide. The Grower Solution gift card, and the big thing about this, you get 10% off these between now and Christmas. So the gift cards are a great way to get that 10% off and make your money go a little bit further. And the next thing is the garden wall kit. It's something brand new. Morgan, I'm gonna let you grab that. You want to talk about it a little bit?
Sure. So we just started carrying these garden wall kits, I would say over the last 2 months. They come in the single stack, double stack, and then there is also, I believe, a triple stack. They're ideally for flowers and things like that. However, smaller vegetables can go in here.
Herbs would be good in here.
A lot of people will use them to decorate railings. They use them to decorate their mailboxes. You can
Fences. Yep. But I like the way, you know, you're going to water, you're going to put water in the one and it's going to trickle down all the way to the bottom, so you're getting everything watered with one shot on it. Comes with a little bit of filter paper in there so that it's the soil's going to stay where it's supposed to. So again, brand new, but pretty cool situation.
And you can easily add on to them. So if you purchase a single stack and you want to add on and make it a double stack, you can absolutely buy another single stack and add on to it. They're easily added on to.
One other thing, if I'm not mistaken, you can take this and go sideways with it, and hopefully Tim can add a picture in here, but sideways, and then have them in a single row,
vertical
instead of horizontal. Yeah. So the number 3 item, the My Soil Test Kit. You know, we started selling this, what's it been, Morgan? 3 months, 4 months?
4 months.
4 months ago. Really, this has been a good seller for us. A lot of folks have taken advantage of it, and I would highly recommend one of these. Good product. We found this, and it's been received very well.
They're very easy to use too.
Yeah, real easy to use. So I'm gonna hand that to you. So
it comes with everything that you need to send in the sample, prepaid envelope. Literally all you do is you take your sample, you put it in there, and you send it back to them, and I would say within about 2 weeks you're going to have your results. So it's super easy, simple to use.
The number 4 thing is the drip irrigation kit. Gosh, I can't say enough about these. We started selling these probably, you know, I'd have to ask Jacob, but I bet you we started selling them 15 years ago. It's always been popular. There's 3 different ones. Morgan, you got to help me. There's Junior,
Master, and Truck Farmer.
Truck Farmer, that's right. Junior, Master, and Truck Farmer, depending on how big you want to be. You can always get more parts.
Yes.
We've got the parts. It's not a one and done. You can reuse so many of these products in that. So it's a good investment. So
and like he said, once more, easily added on to. If you get a Master, you find out it's not big enough, we sell all the parts that you will need to add on to it in the future. And replacement parts, we have everything.
Makes it easy.
Yes.
And the folks here in the office, they'll be happy to help you with it too. So number 5. So this is something kind of near and dear to my heart, is Evian Designs and the custom signs. We started offering custom signs on Grower Solution. The farm signs, the ranch signs, the chicken coop signs. We have some beekeeper signs. I don't know if they're on the website yet, but we do beekeeper signs. If you know a custom sign, we can do that for you, and we'd love to talk to you about it. So, and still a little time to get that done. We run into trouble because we have so many orders. It is custom, so it takes a little longer. So we're running a little tight on time, but I know Tim's going to get this out so you can talk about it. The next thing are heat mats. I'm going to let you talk about heat mats.
So we do sell heat mats. We sell it in 1 tray, 2 tray, and then 4 tray. Am I correct?
That's right.
And then 4 tray heat mats. This one that I have right here is going to be a 4 tray. They have the built-in thermostat on it, so you don't have to worry about purchasing it separately. It's already built in. You can easily, and I mean easily, fit 4 10-20 trays on this 4-tray seedling heat mat. If not, if you put them very close together, I've fit almost 5 on there. Super easy to use. Not quite a stocking stuffer, but we highly recommend for anyone who starts from seed, deals with seedlings.
It does have a built-in thermostat, and it keeps it at the proper temperature. But you can buy a separate thermostat if you're just really die-hard and you need a specific temperature. The other thing, let's say you can get up to 5 trays, just 1 layer, but an old grower's trick is to stack them one way and then take some little wood strips and put on top of the trays and stack more on top of it. And you can get up to 3 layers on that. Now you have to be real careful, and once it germinates, pull those plants out because you don't want them to get too leggy. But then a lot of people will take a small piece of plastic and put over the whole thing, and it holds all that heat in, so you can get a lot more trays on that to germinate if you need to. It's just not stuck with 1. Even with 1, you could get 3 high, so you could get 3 done if you wanted to. And if you're concerned about the heat, you can actually rotate them, every day. Just something to think about. So,
made in North America.
So anyway, number 7 on the list. So I'm gonna let Morgan talk about this one too, because it's over close to her side of the room. The seed starting kit.
Oh.
And she's got to get on the floor to get it. Germination Station.
Germination Station. So we do sell these germination stations. They're fantastic if you are doing just kind of a hobby seed starting. It's going to come with everything that you need. So it's going to come with a 1-tray seedling heat mat. So it's just like the 4-tray, just a little smaller for 1 tray. It's going to come with a humidity dome for your 10-20 tray that's included. And then which insert is this?
That is a 1206. It has 72 cells. So you can, not everybody needs 72 tomato plants, but let's say you need 12 tomato plants and you need 12 pepper plants and you need 12 cabbage plants and you want to start some other stuff. You don't have to do all tomatoes. You could do several different things in that and germinate them out. So.
But the germination station comes with literally everything you will need to get seed starting underway.
Yep. The big thing is remember, once it germinates, you got to watch it and see how long you leave that humidity dome on there.
Yep.
You don't want to leave it on there too long. So the next thing, and we've sold these for years, is just the temperature and humidity dome. Did you get one of those? Or?
I didn't.
Okay. Well, we've sold a lot of these. Everybody likes to have the temperature, know the temperature, thermostat, humidity. Everybody talks about the weather. I can't stress enough. Tim will get a picture in there of it, but a heck of a stocking stuffer. People will appreciate it. Next thing, there's actually 4 different sizes of these. These are the faucet nozzles, and it comes out as a mist. I always get it messed up. It's coarse, medium, fine, and super fine, I think is what it is. You can use this to either water with the coarse, which it acts like a heavy rain, or you can go all the way to a super fine, which is literally a fog. And you put it on your garden hose, and you can get your seedlings wet, or you can get your house plants, if you got them outside on the deck or something, wet, and water it. People really like them. These are 100% brass. These are made in the USA. They just last, okay? They just last. This and another one we didn't talk about, but the brass shutoff, the hose brass shutoff's the same thing. Maybe Tim can put a picture of that up there too. So
these are very easy and efficient to use for a watering source.
And I'm sure Tim will get some pictures in there for you to take a look at of these. Anyway, that's our top 10. I think we got them all. Thank you so much as always. Merry Christmas. See you soon. Bye-bye. Say bye, Morgan.
Bye, Morgan.